Go ahead.
I was in a wheelchair for 11 years, unable to feed myself, dress myself, brush my hair, let alone hold a cell phone. And I was told I would never walk again. And 3 months later, I walked without realizing it. Complete miraculous healing by God, instantaneous, and still walking today. Not because I'm incredible, but because I serve an incredible, merciful God. And He healed up my heart, my spirit, my emotions in those 3 months between being told I couldn't walk again and when I walk, so that I'm not a walking mess.
Wow. So you went 11 years in a wheelchair, strapped down. And then,
Strapped in with seizure-like spasms so bad, whether I was awake or asleep, that I couldn't do anything.
mm,
And instantaneously, in a moment, I found myself after a church service on Palm Sunday 4 years ago. I was in the bathroom running a bath. I reached back for my wheelchair and it wasn't there. I had walked without realizing it.
glory. Okay. Come on now.
He's a good God. And
Oh, no,
now
he's
he's
better.
taking me on vacations.
Yes, he
Listen, Nikki,
is.
he's a whole
Yes,
lot
he
better
is.
than that. Come on now.